guys, today we are going to be doing the Burp Wars Challenge. Anyway, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so we're going to be having wraps. So Zeb's going to have these circle ones and I'm going to have the square ones so we can get our burps back. Okay, so we'll be back when we're allowed to. We might say no. I don't know. Yeah, anyway. See you guys soon. Soon! Okay guys, I am going to be doing Zoe's hair for today, so can you please That's part of the video, Lizzie. Okay. Where also, oh my god, look at all the hair back there. So first of all, we're just going to do, as you all know, we're going to be doing, the unicorn high. Anyway, I am James Charles, so please don't judge me. So here's the hair. It's a pineapple. Just ignore the background. She's living, okay? So don't be afraid. And children, as you can see, Zebby, an amazing person. Look at that hair. Look at it go. Oh, look at that. That looks so pretty. Ooh, let's just get that fluff right there. Ooh. Can you see? Spike. Okay, guys. So we've got the wraps. And now we're going to be doing a tutorial of how to do a wrap. First, you just roll it up, simply like that. If you want it raw, this is how you do it. Nice raw sandwich. We'll wrap, and then we eat it. We'll be back to you when we're finished this amazing, delicious meal, right? Introducing Zeb's farts. He just did a fart. Okay, we know how to do it. By the way, we're eating this because we need to burp more. Remember, burp wars. Correct. And the ranking war and the burping war has begun. Zebby, you go first. Got a good one coming? Okay, we're going to be doing some riding our bikes. Anyway, guys, let's go. I need to get my bike. It's chained and then up. we also need a we need to unchain my bike. This is a really weird challenge. I don't know why we're doing it. We spent like 3 minutes eating a wrap. We're gonna do some burp challenges first on the trampoline, and then we're gonna go into the bike. So guys, Zeb's lying about throwing up. It's gonna throw up. He's a fake. Whoa! Ready, guys? You want to go? Oh, there's probably spiders on here. Are you happy? No. Time to do a backflip with me, guys. Ready? And 3, 2, 1. 3, 2. Oh, the springs in my head. 3, 2. Don't stop. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. One-handed. 3, 2, 1. One-handed back handspring. Ah! Jesus. Whoa. Oh, that one's a bit crazy. Anyway, we're doing the bird pause. Sorry, I don't have any burps in me. I'm afraid the person who won this burp pause is Seb.
Even though I choked on my food and I still won.
I can't burp for that long. I even set the challenge. Anyway, guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications, and smash the like button and subscribe and turn on notifications. Already said that once, but anyway. See ya, Trickster.